Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, I just arrived in Yangshuo. So my hotel is up here, and there's like stairs over here. It's kind of I'm up on the floor with a kind of a cool view actually. So we're gonna go down and walk around in the street. Oh, kind of reminds me a lot of reminds me a lot like where I was just at in Chongqing. Back, hold on. Okay. Okay, so we're just gonna walk through this one. Yeah, it's kind of cool because I was just in the other city. So I'm kind of distracted here. But I was just in the other city, so I'm kind of I thought that was pretty unique, but I guess that's kind of like a pattern. But it's great. It's like the best way you can do things. You got bikes honking the horns too, trying to get through the pedestrian streets as well. And the lighting couldn't be any better right now. Shoes. Little salesman. So yeah, this is kind of interesting. I didn't expect this. I didn't expect it to be a really cool pedestrian street. I thought it'd be like not much of one. That's amazing. Got all kinds of side streets here, and dang, didn't expect that. It's kind of hard to get here, so good thing I didn't turn on the camera coming here because I was getting kind of frustrated. So for one, I took a train here. I thought I'd be here in 24 to 40 minutes, depending on the train. And then it dropped us off in the middle of nowhere. We had to catch a bus that took 1 hour. It's like, what's the point of I guess the train gets you faster than otherwise, but still. And then when I got here, they dropped us off in the middle of nowhere again in this city. So again, they had to try to sort out how to get to this popular place, which is where all the hotels and where everybody wants to be. So they don't really drop you off anywhere near anything in either one of those two stops. But I'm here now, so this is really cool. I think what we're going to do is just kind of see the peripheral part of this. There's more stuff that way. It looks like you can go up into that mountain a little bit. You can see this mountain here too. See lots of toys. So, okay. bow and arrow. This is kind of get everything here in this town. You have things for shopping for wives and girlfriends and all the women in your life, and you have bars for all the men in your life, and you have toys for all the kids in your life. Music instrument, drums. So, okay, I'm gonna get back to a main street, and again, I guess you might want to see this too. This kind of helps you see the perimeter of everything. I like those posters. Okay. So, all right. So we're gonna come back around, and I think this is kind of the bulk of it. It's a lot smaller, I guess, than the Chongqing one, but it has a lot more bars for one. It's a nice river right there. You can see some of the mountains up in the background. See some of the architecture. So this right here is just a normal street. I should film it right now too, since the lighting is so great. Lighting's perfect. And then we're gonna walk back into the mess of everything in a minute. Those lights are perfect. You see another mountain straight ahead. Yeah, Yangshuo has a lot of cool stuff to explore a lot more, but this is just got here tonight actually. Now that I'm here, I might stay a few days. Yeah, and actually I also went to Suzhou, and Suzhou also has a lot of cool stuff like this too. So I guess this is kind of the way that it goes in China. You just kind of have all this really cool stuff like this. Let's walk over on this side too. Look at that. It's pretty cool. Reggae bar. Another music bar. Hakka bar. Actually a lot of bars in this town. And you got your mountain right there too. This is a pretty cool town. Wow. I guess I didn't really expect it. I just didn't know what to expect. There's a lot of bars. Chongqing, there's just a few bars, but here there's a lot. Okay. This is pretty cool. Yeah, those are even fuller ones. So the lighting is like perfect right now, so I'm gonna kind of want to walk down this other street on the left. Sounds good. Those kittens are really popular with the people that like kittens. So the little thing that is really popular. Yeah, actually the streets are not as bad as Chungking. Looks pretty popular there. There's a lot of these silver shops everywhere in China. Potatoes look pretty good too. Lighting's perfect. Pizza. Outside the... Okay. We're gonna go over another waterway. Okay, now I see that this water, there's a whole other thing that wasn't all the way down that way. It is this way. Huh. Some roses over there. Yeah. Let's hope you're getting a good feel for Yangshuo. It's quite a bit different than I thought. Much better than if I would have stayed in Guilin. It's like another, oh wow. Like all kinds of stuff all over the place. Huh. Like such a cool town. And actually, if you can see this right there, there's like a flag up on top too. But that's like one of the many mountains, and this street looks right into the mountain. Chidi Hotel, okay. So I think we're gonna walk all the way down and then try to take a left. In the flowers, okay. Okay, I lost the filming because it was, it's kind of cool. Because it overheated. But it's pretty loud. That's interesting stuff. And I'm gonna try to film a little bit more of what I missed last time. But now, of course, it's darker, so. So I think we're gonna want to walk down in this spot because there's this is part of what I didn't get before. Probably film a lot more tomorrow morning. A lot of live musicians everywhere. Yeah, it's pretty cool. If you can see the type of, but it's kind of what I saw in Sichiko, and Sichiko's in Chongqing, and also what I saw in Suzhou. So all of them I had I saw these little places like this with karaoke kind of stuff. Not karaoke, but live music, bands. Might just try to find one that I like. So let's see what this is. This one's a little bit hidden. Oh, there we go. Hello. Let's see. Oh, okay, this is kind of cool. This has more stuff like that. This would be really beautiful in the daytime. All this stuff is along the river. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I didn't realize there was this all this stuff that was on all the periphery too. All right, so you're kind of getting a better feel. It's a little bit darker in this spot, and I think I just went to a dead end, so I'm gonna turn off the camera, turn it back on later. But there's a lot of stuff happening. It's crowded everywhere else, so. Got some more musicians here too. I just sit in one of these, and a lot of competition between all of them. Huh. So, yeah. Okay. There's so much live music. Basically, got live music. You got like you know, like singer-songwriter kind of stuff. Kind of beautiful Chinese ballads. And actually, I've just been seeing all kind of small businesses, but up here I've seen Adidas. It's like the first corporate type of one that I've seen. More stuff over that way. We're gonna walk through here. So I think what I'm gonna try to find is maybe some live music somewhere. Let's kick back and relax. Here's some of the food. We'll walk on this side. These are pretty good. I had a bunch of these earlier. They give them like really small ones on a stick. Where when I was in Chongqing, they got kind of big, meatier ones. Okay, so basically this is basically what it looks like. So you have a pretty good idea right now. I'm gonna turn off the camera for a while. Okay, I just kind of found a nice vantage spot to film a little bit. So this river is going through it, and you can see quite a bit of restaurants. Another canal over there, musician over there, more places over there too. So, okay. Pretty cool little town.